back to my channel, Anushtha Kaushik. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how I shape my face for instant clear skin and everything about it. It's been months I've been doing it, so I'll tell you everything. Is it good or it's not, and does hair grows back thicker or not? So now, for that, let's get into the video. For that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, please. It would mean a lot. Now, let's get into the video. The first step is cleanse your face thoroughly. It's really important. I already did it. And the second step is pull your hair back. There should be no hair falling on your face. Okay? Otherwise, you'll shave your this hair also. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna use my hairband. Yeah, it's like a shower band. Let's use it. Because I don't have no hair on my face. You can also use a clip. You can make a bun. I prefer doing this, so it makes sure no single hair is coming on my face. Hair also back. And now which razor I use? I use this razor. I bought it from a medical store. It's called Can. It's really nice. I think it's really nice because the blades are not so sharp that it will hurt you. But you can also buy Tinkle from Nykaa or Amazon. Those are also pretty good. So now let's take one out, which I've been using. I think I'm using the pink one and this pink one. Right. This is, and they are covered. Always take the razors, face razors, which are covered. That's so important to have a cap. Okay, and make sure before you start using it, you clean it with the cloth. Because if you have already used it, for one safety purpose, you should clean it with a cloth. Make sure your razor is clean. Now we'll start doing it. So pull your skin upwards always and hold it very light hand. You don't have to hold it from here and very tightly. No, don't do that. Don't hold it in a tight way or just from here. You need to hold it from the back side and very slightly, very lightly. It should not be tight. Okay, it should be very light hand, And now pull your skin up and then shave it downwards. Okay? We'll pull our skin up and then shave it downwards. Okay, I'll show you. And then whenever it's too much on the blade, make sure you're wiping out on a cloth. Oh my god, it feels so soft. Wipe it on a cloth and then do it again. Okay, so for the nose, I always do it in a very light way, a very light hand. Now you'll do the forehead. Make sure you're not cutting off your eyebrows. That's the main thing here. You have to be very slow over here. Do it very lightly. Now be very careful when doing above your eyebrows. Be very, very careful. Okay. So I'm done with the forehead. And let's move to this part. We're done with the cell, so now the upper lip part is remaining. Be careful with that also. Okay. Do like this. I don't know how people can bear the pain of doing threading upper lips. I feel like shaving is the best option. My skin is all clear, man. So we are done with the shaving. My god, I feel so good. I feel so clean. Now after that, make sure you take a toner and clean your face. I use this from Biotique. It's a Bio Cucumber one. It's the best toner out there. Really, it's really nice. It's not even pricey. It's just $175. You should try this. And slightly rub it all over your face. Make sure to moisturize your face. I use this Biotique one. Again, it's really amazing. It's really nice. It's Bio Coconut. Okay, so you can see my skin is so clean after shaving and it's glowing. You know, there's this instant glow after shaving. What's the reason? Because the upper layer, the red skin that you have, shaving removes that. And that's amazing. And your hair does not grow back thicker. Your hair grows back the same as it was. There's no difference in the hair growth. I have not experienced it. Any difference in my hair growth, or it's not being thicker, and shaving is totally painless. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, with your family, and do subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. I'll see you soon. I upload video 2 times a week, every Thursday and Sunday. Bye.
Flowers today.